क्लबिंग है, हॉलीडे है, हेल्थ है और एंटरटेनमेंट भी है। द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग मैं आपको बताना भूल गई, जिस सबको एक आई कैची होता है, जो बहुत अट्रैक्टिव चीज होती है, वो है हमारे टॉप नॉच सेलिब्रिटीज। जितने भी हमारे बॉलीवुड के सेलिब्रिटी हैं, सोनू सूद हो गए, शाहरुख खान हो गए, गोविंदा हो गए, उन सब ने कंट्री क्लब के लिए योगदान दिया है, कंट्री क्लब को ज्वाइन किया है। दे ऑल्सो परफॉर्मिंग, उन्होंने अपनी अपनी परफॉर्मेंस दी है कंट्री क्लब के लिए। मैं आपको ये सारी बेसिक चीजें बताना चाहती थी। नाउ दिस टाइम आवर वेरी रिस्पेक्टिव एंड ऑनरेबल MD by Rajiv Reddy sir to come on the stage, and he is not only the owner, he is established his own business. उन्होंने कंट्री क्लब का जो बिजनेस एस्टैब्लिश किया था, उन्होंने अपने फैमिली में, उनके फैमिली की मैं आपको थोड़ा सी बात बताता हूँ। उनके फैमिली में जो लोग हैं, उनका सबका अपना ओन अलग अलग बिजनेस था, लेकिन ही हिमसेल्फ इंडिविजुअली एस्टैब्लिश्ड हिज ओन बिजनेस विच वाज द कंट्री क्लब इन 1989। तो उन्होंने खुद से ये कंट्री क्लब स्टार्ट किया। दिस इज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग फॉर आवर नेशन। हमारे इंडिया में लोगों को जानने के लिए और इंस्पायर होने के लिए ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, और इवन आई एडमायर अ लॉट। लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग एज अ लास्ट सेंटेंस, आई एम अ मेंबर ऑफ अ कंट्री क्लब। द कंट्री क्लब की मैं खुद एक मेंबर हूँ, और आई फील वेरी ऑनर्ड एंड प्रिविलेज। और यहाँ एक चीज और हाईलाइट करना चाहूंगी आप सब मीडिया के लोगों के लिए, कि इस 31st पे क्रिसमस का जो हम लोग सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, वो उंडरी में ग्रैंड पार्टी होने वाली है, जहां हमारे ऑनरेबल डीजे, पुणे के वेल नोन डीजे और सूफी सिंगर अवेलेबल होंगे, तो वो भी आप लोग एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। ऑफ कोर्स यू गाइस कैन कम एंड जॉइन अस। नाउ लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर एंड वेलकम आवर रिस्पेक्टेड, energetic and very enthusiastic our MD Y Rajiv Reddy sir on the stage, ladies and gentlemen.
No, I just want to first thank you. Then we will, with the card. And thank you for being here. I'm really very, very, very thankful. And
yes. So here it's a very huge and big time came. बहुत बड़ा समय आ चुका है। मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं कि यहाँ हम कुछ आप लोगों के लिए लेके आए हैं, और बहुत अलग और कुछ न्यू है, जिसका लॉन्चिंग होने वाली है। मैं आपको बता दूं कि हियर नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क, ओके सर, विल यू प्लीज गिव this blink to all our media and take this honor. Okay, they have. Congratulations, and give a huge round of applause for this big, huge launching, ladies and gentlemen. And what is all about? We will be very important कि ये सारी चीजें क्या है, वो सर से हम जाने तो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा.
Yeah, today is a very lucky day. We are launching Dilwale card and Bade Dilwale card. This is a new card from the brand Country Club. And I thought, unless we touch Pune, and they should know how the country clubs are doing. In Pune also we are doing very well. It's a coincidence, but yesterday evening I was invited to our Pune club by the president, and I found the kind of energy what Pune radiates is fantastic. एक ज़माने में it was known as pensioners paradise, but today it's no longer pensioners paradise. People are, different parts of the world, country, people are coming here, and most important thing is, say at 10:30 in the night, football courts are on there, and the people are coming and people are going. The kind of energy Pune generates is really amazing. And coming back to the launch of Bade Dilwale card, this is nothing but my personal experiences in Sri Lanka. We have a property in Kandy, and that's next to the Buddhist ways we are building. एक ज़माने में बचपन में I'm so fond of Pune. I came on a motorcycle to visit Pune on a motorbike, and the reason was that at that particular point of time Bhagwan Rajesh Deva. So I was a very curious guy, and become honest. Finally, I came here. So I have got a lot of beautiful memories of Pune. Once known as pensioners paradise, and only retired army people used to stay there. But the entire thing has changed. If at all, which is the most happening city in the country, it is Pune. And I'm sure I think Pune, people from Pune will take this inspiration and I'm sure they would definitely join us in my dream concert. My visit to Sri Lanka, basically first I went to Colombo. Every place in the country, whether it's Delhi, Bombay, or Pune and all that, they have direct connect with Colombo. This is not like before. And nowadays they have limited restrictions. There is no visa requirements for tourists. So it is very much like a tourist friendly. Before, if you want to go from Bombay or Pune to Sri Lanka, it just takes about 90 minutes. From Hyderabad to Pune took 90 minutes. From Chennai down south from Kerala, it takes less than 75 minutes. So it is just like an extension of India actually. You find people that are very, very, very helpful. My stay in Sri Lanka became more beautiful because my good friend Arvinda T. Silva, the World Cup winner, a personal friend of mine, and of course he has visited the country club so many times and he feels that there is a lot of scope. And more than anything else today, the economy of Sri Lanka is just picking up. They are looking at country club as a tourist promotion activities. So because they want more tourists to come and then showcase the place in their minds and then take that as a major option. And Pune is just like, Sri Lanka, Colombo is also just more or less like Goa. From one day in Colombo, then we had some nightlife. It was very, very interesting, very well interesting, and the entertainment was terrific. Then we visited our property in Kandy. Then we did white river rafting. White river rafting is my favorite hobby. It really pumps you up, and then it really gets people's mood really on a spin. So, my dear friends, now we are launching this project today in Pune. So let's give a big hand for people of Pune and then the media.
Give a huge round of applause for yourself, ladies and gentlemen.
Whatever we might do, remember one thing, it is ultimately the response. So many people clubs have opened, so many people have come and gone. But then Country Club has remained as active 35 years back from 1989 when I bought the property of the palace of the Nizam of Hyderabad. And when I bought it, I took all very good people on board, like Dr. Pratap C. Reddy, Apollo Group Chairman. He is still on the board of Country Club. And Nawab of Patodi, and B.N. Raman, Chief Secretary, Mahendra Reddy, DGP, and then A.R. Vishwanath, MD, Medina Group. So why I am telling all this is, we made a very credible board who will be able to also advise us. But we were thinking of Hyderabad over time. Then once the brand became a big hit, then we moved to Bangalore and we moved, was personally invited to the global investors meet, and it was a very fantastic experience. People from around the world came for the meeting, but the Chief Minister, then Chief Minister just recently passed away, S.M. Krishna, who was also the Governor of Maharashtra. I used to visit him in Rajbhavan, Maharashtra, in Bombay, and you see the kind of support what we get is unbelievable actually. Tourism is one of the basic industries that I think every country has to promote. And today India has got more than 180 countries where visa free on arrival is there. So it is just, travel has become more comfortable. At a press of a button, instead of going to Delhi, you can go to Colombo or you can go to the neighboring places. So my dear friends, this is just an eye-opener. I would like to visit, I would like all of you to come on the 31st evening for the grand show. It's one of the DJs. The best of the DJs in the country are participating in the New Year program around the country. And I'm sure, I think they will bring a lot of cheer and a lot of youngsters and are participating. And we had earlier, we had this Country Club Marathon run also. So many things. Pune is, I think the entire new generation has got a different kind of energy. And I'm sure, I think this should be a huge hit. Grand welcome to us. Sumo and Sufi singer Sai Baba just Sai Kapoor. Yeah. So I'm just looking forward. Maybe most likely I'll also be in Pune on the day. And because the vibration is what you feel in the Country Club Unduri. We were in two minds whether to have it here or in Unduri, but we thought that might be more difficult for you people to come there. So we thought we'd just brief the media about our plans for Sri Lanka, about promoting Bade Dilwale card and also Dilwale card. So, my dear friends, yeah. I'll come back to you again. This is just beginning, and my office will send you all the required passes and invitations. We'll have a special area where the media will be there on the 31st also. It's very important. In fact, if you ask me what is Country Club brand built up, it is built up on memories. If you go Country Club testimonials, you will find a lot of them. There are some people, they have not met, Country Club has not met their expectations, but most of the people are very thrilled. They are very happy with the environment, they are very happy with the food, and it is the only club maybe in the country or maybe in the world where the entire families are being promoted. Member, wife, nana, nani, bache, even kids. It is more or less like a biggest family chain in the world. So many families coming together is definitely something that really keeps you happy when families are together with the children, with the grandchildren, and we are not exclusive. A lot of people say that this is exclusive property, exclusive. We are inclusive. We are a part of the community. If you see the Country Club's profile, you have more people from the north, more people from northeast, and more people from Bombay. So all these people have contributed to make a huge impact on the society, and very major campaigns we have undertaken, Stop Smoking campaign, and Friendship Day concept. On that day we had taken signatures of 1 lakh people, so a long back, when Mr. Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, and he also endorsed on Country Club's Friendship and occasion. So, my dear friends, a lot of people, like Sunil Dutt Sahab, Ground Zero program man, he first Ground Zero, it was really fantastic. The kind of people who visited, who have personally experienced the belief systems of the Country Club and personally have become a part of the Country Club community, it is something fantastic. I'm doing this more or less out of my own hobby, which I converted that into my business. And today, when I look back, almost 35 years back, it was unbelievable. It was really, God has been kind. Members have been also very supportive. So, my dear friends, we look forward for your support too. And I will come back to you again. Thank you.
Thanks so much, sir, for your valuable work. Give a cheer to sir and all the media members.